Hello everyone, take a section from the front and then take a top section from it, make a braid, join it to the middle, continue this braid until you reach the bottom. Take a section off the top of the scalp and then make a braid out of it. In this side, join the hair to make a ponytail, roll this ponytail in on itself. Braid the bottom of the hair. Make 3 sections of the hair at the top. Add thread to the middle section and then braid the hair using the thread as one of the sections. Do this for the other 2 as well and then tie a ponytail at the bottom. Add a decorative ribbon at the top of the scalp and then begin to braid the hair using the ribbon as one of the sections. Do this on either side, join it to the braid at the bottom that you will be creating. Add multiple rubber bands to 2 ponytails at the bottom and then join it to the top braids as such. Roll it up into a bun and then add decorative rubber bands. Add a decorative ribbon to the top of the scalp and then tie a ponytail on the side, roll the hair in on itself. Twist the ribbon around the ponytail, braid the bottom of the hair, roll it up and then make a bow. Add multiple rubber bands at the bottom, make braids on the side, roll it up into a bun. Take a section off the top of the scalp and then divide it into 2 parts, make 2 braids out of it, make 2 heart shapes on either side and tie it up. Make multiple sections on the side and make 2 ponytails at the bottom. Make 3 sections on the side of the scalp on either side. Taking a section from the back, make a braid, braid the bottom as well. Make 4 sections on the side, join them together as such until it forms one piece, then join it to the side braid, roll up the braid to make a bun. Take a section from the middle at the top and then make a section on the side as well, join it to the pony at the back. Make 2 braids at the top of the scalp, roll it up into a bow. Now taking a section from the side, add a thread to it and then make a braid using the thread as sections. Take a section from the front, make multiple sections out of it, take a section at the middle, at the back and then roll it up after making a braid. Make 2 braids of the bottom section. Take a section from the top and then braid the hair. Include it in the braid at the bottom as well and roll it up. Take a section off the top of the scalp. Take 2 more sections on either side, roll the hair in on itself as such. Braid the bottom of the hair. Tie a ponytail on one side of the hair and then roll the hair in on itself. Make 2 braids out of it, join it at the bottom to make a heart shape. Make a braid on the side as such and then include this braid into another braid that you will be making out of the middle section. Include this braid into the bottom section braid that you will be making. Separate the front portion of the hair from the back and then tie a ponytail with it, roll the hair in on itself. Take 2 sections from either side, join it at the back. Do this 2 or 3 more times. Braid the bottom of the hair. Thank you for watching.